India's breathtaking growth rate in the infrastructure, industrial and housing sectors has taken the world by storm. And Gargate and Sons is a name to reckon with in all these sectors. Gargate and Sons, established in 2002, provides specialist engineering and design consultancy and services to private, public as well as government organizations, leading to total solutions for safe, environmentally secure and cost-effective infrastructure development. Demonstrating exemplary foresight, the company has not only understood the needs of the future, but has also geared itself up with impeccable planning, radical innovations, top-of-the-line technology, flawless execution and larger-than-life dreams. This has resulted in a large number of reputed international clients. One of the company's strengths is its association with Astute Engineering Services Private Limited. Astute is an integrated architectural, engineering design and project management company based in Pune in India. It has extensive experience in designing and executing institutional, commercial and industrial building projects. Astute also offers green building capability, which covers consultancy services in sustainability architecture and the adoption of global best practices in eco-friendly and power-efficient designs. Astute is invariably the first choice among Indian and international companies and has on board several lead accredited professionals. One of Astute's prestigious projects is the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Royal Care Super Speciality Hospital coming up in Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. BSU Park is yet another key project undertaken by Astute Engineering. The exponential pace of growth in India often requires the old to make way for the new. Demolition of old structures, therefore, has become a challenging yet vital and inevitable part of this development. It is in this area of demolition that Gargate and Sons towers over other existing infrastructure companies. With its technical association with the reputed company Reich Springtechnik of Germany, a leader in the area of explosives, demolitions and pyrotechnics since 1985, and in line with its tradition of constant innovation, Gargate and Sons has pioneered implosive demolition technology in India. Unlike explosion, implosion demolition is a thoroughly researched and tried and tested demolition process which ensures absolute safety to human life and property. It also minimizes pollution and reduces the demolition time.
With a professional approach based on international exposure and experience, they have developed a well-designed system of accurate vibration measurement and termination of steel structures, which can be easily recycled, and termination of bricks and masonry, the debris that consists of concrete and bricks, which is then crushed and successfully used as filling material. Material like doors, windows, plumbing and sanitary material, which can be reused elsewhere. Controlled blasting using blasting material and machinery of international standards. This expertise shows in the fact that the post-demolition results are predicted based on scientific methodology, which also allows us to be able to salvage 90% of the demolished material. By putting this material to such a good use, dumping of waste besides riverbanks or open grounds is avoided and environmental pollution can be prevented.
This implosion technique is extremely useful in pulling down various old structures like residential buildings, industrial complexes, commercial buildings, bridges, elevated storage reservoirs, chimneys and other unsafe structures. The implosion demolition technology of Gargate and Sons in India is a highly scientific technique and involves several steps. First, a survey of the building to be demolished is carried out. This includes a study of the concrete, steel, number of slabs and the strength of the foundation slab. This is followed by a survey of the structures that surround the building. The points of impact are then decided for the blast and the valuation of the vibrations is calculated. If zero damage is ensured, only then is the go-ahead for the demolition given. As a protective measure, the above-ground blasting zones or the blasting stories are carefully wrapped in tear-free geotextiles and wire netting. A special cushion catches the core and reduces the vibrations, and the end walls catch the scattered ruins at the time of ground impact. For safety, the buildings in the vicinity are evacuated before demolition. As an added safety measure, the traffic in the immediate vicinity may be temporarily redirected. The dust which rises after demolition can be reduced significantly by atomization of water. Till now, demolition was considered a hazardous, cumbersome and unsafe aspect of redevelopment. But now, Gargate and Sons has harnessed the advantages of progress by making demolitions safe, environment-friendly and economical. The future belongs to those whose infrastructure fulfills their professional needs. If a new thought is on your mind, it has to take shape. Go ahead. The old has played its role, and the new is awaiting its turn in your journey ahead. The growth in India is on the verge of scaling new heights, and this association is committed to lead the way.